Alright, it's Charles here. We got planes flying overhead. Beautiful day, but I've had this leaky faucet for a while. Outdoor faucet. Guy at work said just get you one of those caps and screw it on there and clog it up. I didn't want to do that. I want to actually fix it. So, went to the hardware store and got a faucet washer's flat. I'm not sure what's in here, so we're getting ready to find out. But I do know it's PEX underneath the house in the crawl space, and they do have PEX faucets at the hardware store. So first we're going to turn off the main water supply to the house and open this thing up and see what's inside. We'll bring you guys along. You can brave the spiders in the crawl space. Right here's the main shut off. That's what we're doing, so we can work on it without having water just gushing everywhere. Alright, we'll turn the water off. We don't have any water pressure here. Open this up and see what's going on. Truly stuck in there. There we go. PEX and threaded. Here's what's going to happen out here. There's Annabelle, my assistant. I'm going to crawl under the house, all the way under. I'll be talking to her through this vent. She's going to record from this GoPro. Hopefully she'll be able to pull that one out and push the new one in to me. I'm going underneath the house. I'll talk about some of the tools I've got. I've got my PEX crimp fittings. I should only have to use one, but I brought some extras just in case. I've got my PEX tool with my 1/2 inch in there, and I've got my go no-go gauge to make sure I've crimped it right. Taking that in there is with me as well. I've also got a light mini lantern to light the way. Should be able to see under there, but mainly so you guys can see as well.
Dad, hello.
I can see you. Not yet. Right there's the old PEX. Can you see it moving? Alright, now wait, I've got to cut the old one. There's the old thing. Alright, Annabelle, pull out the old one.
That spider's giving me the creep.
There you go. Good job, Annabelle. Is it pointing the way it should be pointing?
Yep.
All right, excellent. There you go. Good job, Annabelle. Here's the pipe to the tap outside. Here's the water pipe coming to it. This is the crimp fitting. Well, I'm telling you so that you can see on the video if you watch it. And then I've got the crimp tool on it. You gotta get it just right. Luckily there's enough room in here I can kind of wiggle around. Wound up. Oh, is it on there enough? I hope so. I think so. Alright, we're going to go turn on the water and come back under here and see if it's working. It actually shuts off when it's supposed to. So I'm Charles.
I'm Annabelle.
And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.